Welcome beta users. Welcome to ProcessLenz, your automation hub. ProcessLenz will help you manage your process pipeline, manage your center of excellence, and find new processes for automation. Let me show you what you can do with your process pipeline. The objective is to help you determine what ideas should be prioritized in the pipeline by focusing on specific indicators visible only in the idea phase. Once identified a process that has the right criteria, you would move it to the pipeline phase. And we have made this extra easy by analyzing the different criteria with an algorithm so that we can suggest the best candidate for you. Once in pipeline, your process is ready to be assessed in terms of savings and automation potential. You will have full visibility of the different aspects of your process that will help you understand how successful will it be for automation. We provide you with the full transparency and knowledge in the calculations used and flexibility to fine-tune the calculations and adapt the assignment questions and calculations to suit your organization and your technology. There is so much to discover, so stay tuned for the other videos. Thank you so much for watching.